Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Gaurav Pipara, second year law student, currently legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today's our topic is contract and agreements. In simple terms, contract means when two parties put into a written agreement with some certain obligations which are enforced by law. It creates a contract. Enforced by law means any violation in the contract could create legal actions. Indian Contract Act for come forged in 1st September 1872. It divided into 266 sections. Section 1 to 75 General Provision, Section 76 to 123 Sales of Goods Act, Section 124 to 147 Indemnity and Guarantee, Section 148 to 181 Bailment and Pledge, Section 182 to 238 Agency, Section 239 to 266 Partnership. Section 2H of Indian Contract Act 1872 defines Indian Contract Act an agreement enforceable by law. Section 2E of Indian Contract Act defines agreement, every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. So, formation of contract there must be an agreement and agreement must be enforced by law. On the basis of creation, contract is divided into three parts: express contract, implied contract, and quasi contract. Express contract means when contract created in words, spoken or written, it is an express contract. Implied contract means when contract is entered by actions or conduct by parties, not by words spoken or written. Quasi contract means contract under special circumstances, not by virtue of any agreement or express or implied between the parties. On the basis of enforceability, contract is divided into two parts: valid contract, void contract. A valid contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law when all the essential elements of a valid contract are present. Voidable contract means an agreement which is not enforceable by law. At the option of one or more parties, it is an voidable contract. A contract became voidable when the consent of the parties are obtained by forcefully, misrepresentation, under influence, and fraud. For a valid contract, there are some essential elements. There should be lawful offer and acceptance. Parties should have intention to create legal obligation. The consideration must be lawful. Parties must have capacity to enter into a contract. Consent of the parties must be free. The object of the contract must be lawful. Contract must be certain. It should have possibility of performance. It must not be not be declared as void. Under Indian Contract Act 1872, some agreements have expressly declared void. These are agreement in restraint of marriage, agreement in restraint of trade, agreement in restraint of legal proceedings, agreements the meaning of which is uncertain, agreements by vaguer, agreements of impossible events, agreements to do impossible acts. So, for the formation of contract, there must be an agreement and it should be enforced by law. So, all the agreements are not enforceable by law, then all agreements are not contract, and all the agreements which are enforced by law became a contract. So, all contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contract. So, any violation in the agreement which is enforced by law would create an legal actions. Thank you.